Hey everyone! Welcome to Smart Health and Fitness, where we make your health goals achievable and sustainable. Today, we're tackling a challenge many people face: losing fat without losing muscle. If you want to burn fat while staying strong, this video is for you. I'll give you actionable tips and the science behind why they work. Let's get into it. First, let's understand what's happening when you lose weight. Your body needs energy to function. When you're in a calorie deficit, it starts burning stored energy. Ideally, you want to burn fat stores, but if you're not careful, your body might break down muscle tissue instead. Why does this happen? Because muscles require energy to maintain. If your body thinks it's starving, it prioritizes survival over muscle. Our goal? Make sure your body knows to burn fat and not your muscle. Here's how we do that. Step 1. Don't give up on strength training. Lifting weights signals to your body that it needs to keep that muscle. Aim for at least 3 to 5 strength sessions per week, focusing on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. Why compound exercises? Because they engage multiple muscle groups at once, maximizing efficiency and calorie burn while maintaining muscle mass. Keep lifting heavy. You want to challenge your muscles even while losing fat. Step 2. Eat enough protein. Protein is the building block of muscle. When you're in a calorie deficit, protein helps repair and maintain your muscle mass. A solid goal is 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Great protein sources include chicken, fish, eggs, tofu, beans, and dairy. Not sure how to get enough protein? Plan ahead. Meal prepping your weekly meals can make hitting your protein target easy and stress-free. Step 3. Balance your cardio. Cardio helps with fat loss, but too much can lead to muscle breakdown. The sweet spot? About 2 to 3 cardio sessions per week. Consider mixing in HIIT, high-intensity interval training. HIIT burns fat quickly and helps preserve muscle. A HIIT workout example: 30-second sprint, 1-minute rest, repeat. Think quality over quantity. A few intense cardio sessions will get you better results than hours of low-intensity cardio. Step 4. Don't underestimate sleep and recovery. Your muscles repair and grow while you sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Also, schedule rest days or active recovery days. This helps prevent burnout and supports muscle repair. Recovery is just as important as your workouts. Lastly, consistency is the secret sauce. Losing fat while keeping muscle takes time and discipline. Track your workouts, stay on top of your nutrition, and trust the process. Small, consistent efforts add up to big results. Stay committed, and you'll see the change. You've got this. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Drop any questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay strong and stay healthy.